What the? That's the shoulder! Extra regret.
As a season ticket holder, it's embarrassing how every home game we are flooded with visiting fans. The visiting fans thing has become a very
Wait, what the really?
So I don't want to blame.
What the hell are you doing? Nissan drivers. I can't win. No one in this town knows how to drive.
Welcome back to the Anything Better podcast show. And television going into week number 3. We got a great show.
Wait, was that from the left lane behind me? I think it
I'm on
was.
the other side. Oh, yeah, fucking cowboy. He was crossing. I'm on the inside. He crosses his.
Dive for the right turn.
Left to right with this dirty.
Again.
Dude, I'm telling you, these fucking people, man. It's like I go to get up to use the.
We can dance and party all night and drink some wine. Oh no, Nissan driver, you don't have to cut me off. What the hell is wrong with you? You can just drive through the downtown and not take the inner loop around town. Na 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 na. You're going in the video. You drive like a maniac, like a typical Nissan driver. Seriously, there's a bike lane. And you got a kid on there too. I got spidey sense. How do I guess? The small dick truck got to move over here to the right turn lane at the last second because can't plan for shit. Big, huge lines of cars. You know everyone's going for the inner loop because no one wants to go to downtown Rochester for some reason. Yeah, whatever.
Because you're responding to concerns like a less relatable deity that is further away. And that's kind of what Jesus does as well.
Well, what the?
With Jesus, it's like,
that's the shoulder!
We got a guy. It's a dude. It's a man.
You know, but I don't think that it's even close. I think we did a coaches poll. They'd get 25 votes. The Rangers right now are the best team in the NHL. Igor, you gotta give a guy credit to leave $90 million on the table and say,
really, what are you doing back there?
And come in, and he's been great.
But forever. Not without the help of Dawkins, who secretly made it known that he wouldn't attend events where Watson was speaking, which is pretty funny, considering the amount of time he spent defending big hits against deplatforming since then.
Why can't you just get off at the 204 East ramp?
Dawkins, by the way,
really?
never apologized.
Safety or effectiveness by the FDA. Prescriptions required an online consultation with a healthcare provider who.
No, stop.
Restrictions apply. See website for details and for.
No, stop. Red light, run. Nissan driver.
Emergency spinectomy, apologized to him, and re-invited him to the conference, which he still did not.
Red light, run. Red light, run. Red light, run. It was a pretty bad one. That light was yellow for a while, and yeah, whatever. Fuck you. Yep, Nissan driver. Was that an extra regret? I think it was.
When I was too happy. To get happy, it won't be funny. You know, no facial hair. People want to see your expressions.
Oh, wow.
Nissan driver.
Too in shape. You can't be good looking. They had all these
No stop. There is a stop sign there. You must stop. There's other cars. There's kids and shit, you know. People want to watch their movie and not get hit by a fucking car. Oh, shit, really?
You wanted trophies of these sheep.
Oh,
Of
good,
all
you're
fucking
turning.
Things, these sheep. You wanted
Who
to
the
make.
fuck wants to hunt sheep?
They're sheep.
They wouldn't even bother anybody.
Really?
They just run around.
Nice cutoff. Red light run, red light run, red light run, Nissan driver.
He's got to tuck himself and get lower or drop some of these hits. Because again, he's going to miss 30 games eventually.
Really, what are you doing?
You got to get lower than...
Car there.
Like, get in touch with us, check out past episodes, connect with us on social media, or check the show notes. Be sure to check out citationpod.com.
Back up a shame.
Praise your 03 wings. They just got every Hall of Famer in them one. It usually doesn't.
Why are you
work
driving
out
down the
that
wrong
way.
side of the
Usually
street?
When you bring New York and Toronto have done it for 50 years. Bring in every good guy in the world.
I don't get it.
in free agency. Do they have the time to figure out how to do it? I don't think so.
Well, I mean, if you just look at it, you know.
No, oh shit. What the fuck is that?
Moment as you contribute to the free rider effect because you're a moocher. And with that out of the way, tell us, Tom, what person, place, thing, concept, phenomenon, or event will we be talking about? Laws ridiculous. So is the Dubliners. Okay, well that explains why you write one giant run-on sentence with no punctuation.
Now, it's worth asking at this point of the story,
What the fuck you moved over
what the point
for?
of all of this is, right? And by that I mean this show. Why are we still doing this? No, it's not.
We've got any sort of order of operation here. I don't get it. Just so.
Well, like
You're just gonna stay over there.
Career criminal.
Nope.
It conjures in your brain images of.
Even when they're pulled over to the left, you still got to move over for them.
You know, like.
Tom, Cecil, you guys like pranks, right?
Yeah. Yes, I mean, you've written this for me to say these words, but I genuinely
Exit
have
dive,
no idea
Rubaro.
this fit into the show.